Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Hair School, and today I'm going to show you all the products that I use on a regular basis to get volume in my hair. So we're going to start right off with the shampoo and conditioner. Now, I don't use the shampoo and conditioner on a daily basis. You absolutely can. It's perfectly fine to use the shampoo on a daily basis, but I typically go for something different that nourishes and helps protect my blonde on a daily basis, and I use these shampoos when I want volume. When I'm going to style my hair specifically to go out or do something like that, I will reach for these shampoos, and these ones are the Big Sexy Hair Big Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioners. These babies are OG. I have tried so many different volumizing shampoos and conditioners and have really enjoyed a lot of other volumizing shampoos and conditioners. I have been using these since high school, very early 2000s. The product is consistent and I always go back to it because I love it. I buy the giant bottles of it and it sits in my shower and it just helps to give my hair max volume. So those are the ones I love for volume and I use them all the time. The next thing I do if I'm going to be styling my hair for volume is absolutely use volumizing mousse. I know if you have fine flat hair, mousse can be a scary product to use. Trust me, it is made for your hair. Okay, you want to use a mousse. So I go again with the Sexy Hair, the Big Altitude Sexy Hair Mousse, and you can find most of these products. Anything that you can get on Amazon is linked in my Amazon storefront if you want to go find it. And again, there are other mousses I do use and I do enjoy, but this is always my favorite. This is always my go-to. This is not a beginner level mousse, okay? This stuff packs a punch. If you are not used to product in your hair, you might want to start with the Design Me, Puff Me Mousse, or a Matrix Amplify Mousse. They're a little bit more lightweight. They won't give you quite as much volume as something like this, but this is gonna give you maximum volume. This is gonna give you volume times 10. It's just if you use too much, it absolutely can weigh down, make your hair look feel kind of yucky. And you definitely will feel this product in your hair, even when used correctly. I use about a golf ball size amount in my hair, emulsify it through my hands, work it all through my hair, everywhere, and then blow dry immediately. And it just 2 times my hair when I do that. So I do love the Big Sexy Hair's Big Altitude Mousse, and it is my favorite by far, even though I definitely try other ones, but this is always my go-to, so that's what I'm going to share with you today. Then once my hair is dry, what happens next depends on what I do. If I am just going to wear my hair down like this, obviously my hair is not volumized today, but if I have done my volumizing routine and I want to give myself a little more oomph in my roots, I will usually go for the Design Me, Puff Me powder. This is their volumizing powder, and I will just literally poof, poof, poof all through my root area and right around my face, and that will just help my hair absorb any more moisture that's left that may weigh my hair down and just give my roots that nice big lift and help me hold that kind of up shape as opposed to everything falling really flat against my head. If I am going to curl my hair, or I've done a blowout that is really flippy, or I've set my hair in hot rollers, anything like that, then I'm gonna go in with my dry texture spray, coming back to the Sexy Hair because I do love their products for my volume. And this is the Surfer Girl dry texture spray. And this packs a punch. This is going to make your hairstyle last 4 days. It is got hold, kind of like a hairspray, but it comes out dry, like a powder, like a dry shampoo. So there's no wetness. It's not gonna weigh your hair down like a hairspray does, but it will help create hold, and it will, the more that you add, the more volume you are gonna create. It will make your hair feel dry. It will make your hair very tactile, almost, I don't know the word sticky. It's not wet sticky, it's dry sticky, but you will absolutely feel this product in your hair. If you don't like the feel of product, something like this can be very hard to get used to, but it absolutely creates a ton of volume and helps you to hold that volume. That volume will last and last and last until you wash your hair and be 100% workable. So you can go back in and add more volume by moving your hair around. It's great for helping your hair to hold any teasing you've created, anything like that. So those are the products that I use when I want to create a ton of volume in my hair. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope this has been helpful. Leave me any questions you have in the comments and I'll either make a video or just answer you in the comments. And like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos. And I do post every Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I post daily on Instagram and TikTok. Bye, guys.